This video is going to show you the step-by-step process of setting up Touch ID on your Mac in order to unlock it with your fingerprint. It's pretty quick and easy, and let's start right away. I'm on my Mac home screen, and the first step is to access the settings page. And we can do that by tapping on the little Apple icon at the top left corner of our Mac, then locate and click on the System Settings option right here. From here, we'll scroll a bit at the left side here until you see this button called Touch ID and Password, and this is just what we need. The first thing is to add at least one fingerprint if you don't have any. I already have this one right here, but I'm going to tap on the Add Fingerprint option, and the Mac is going to ask us to enter our password in order to confirm our identity. So enter the password which you use for unlocking your Mac, and then we'll start with the setup process. You'll want to press the fingerprint sensor on your keyboard a couple of times. Press and lift, and make sure that you capture the edges of your fingerprint also. It's the same process as setting up Touch ID on iPhones a couple of years ago. As you can see, I've added my fingerprint successfully, and a very important part is to make sure that this Use Touch ID to unlock Mac option is enabled or turned on. From now on, if your Mac is locked, you can scan your fingerprint on the Touch ID sensor, and the Mac will unlock automatically without you having to enter the password. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.